That's all I needed to do, just put some on the ground for them. Come on then. Come on. It's me. There we go. There we are. Didn't you recognise me from up in the tree? There we go. Do you want some as well? Hey? Do you want some worms? Okay. That's okay. I'll bring some seed for you next time. Because I know you like that. Don't peck my fingers. He's really hungry, eh? Hello, hello, gorgeous. Come on, come down on me. I don't want people to speak to me like that. You gonna come and get some? Hey? Come on. What about you? There we go. Oh, you're lovely and gentle, aren't you? Hey, hello. Come on. Come down on me hand. Hello. This is good. You don't like them? Well, you don't seem that keen. This is all I've got today, I'm afraid. Just worms. Come on. Come on, be brave. Be a brave little pigeon. Come on. Come on into my hand. Come on. Now you feel better that way, yeah? Yeah, the geese will only eat a small few. Yeah, they will come again. What spooked you? Is it a nasty doggy? Oh, this is what I love. Hey. Stop fighting, man. There's plenty to go around. Come on. Still plenty. A bloke around there is a bit naughty. Shouldn't be feeding you his bread. Oh God, it's starting to snow. Good old weather app gets it wrong again. Said it was just going to be cold and cloudy. Hey, finish your soft.